Hi students, today I'm going to teach you how to write notice. A notice is a written or printed news announcement or information. A notice can be in the form of a formal announcement of public importance. It can be warning in advance. It may be for giving information to a section of people or people at large. Notices are generally in newspapers or they are seen in generally in newspapers or magazines. Educational notices are displayed on notice board. For example, in your school, notices by principal or any clubs will be displayed on the notice board. A notice can also find a place in the column of a newspaper as an advertisement. So notices are very effective means of communication in the modern age. So it is quite relevant for you to learn how to write notices. They are one of the effective ways to reach a large number of people in a short time. So here I'm going to introduce to you how to write notices. Notices are the questions that is a question that is asked for 4 marks for the board examination, and I'll give you the introduction of the notice. Introduction part. Notices were used in schools, organization, government boards. And why is it used? To inform people about various events, issues, public instructions, important points to be informed. Now, when you are writing notice, you have to place it inside a box. And on the top of it, you have to write the very word NOTICE. It is only in this question, notice writing, you will be writing notice on the top. Whereas when you write invitation or poster designing, you will never write invitation on the top or poster designing on the top. Whereas you will be writing the title there. Isn't it? But here you have to use the very word notice on the top of your notice. NOTICE. And underneath that, if it is issued in your school, suppose the notice is issued in your school, you have to write the name of the institution, Al Farouk Residential Senior Secondary School. Then write the date of on the left hand side, the date of issue of the notice. So left hand side you have to write the date. I'll show you that. You can see that. Have you seen that? Delhi Public School, Lucknow. Notice. Notice, the very word notice should be there in the title. If you write it on the top or bottom, no problem. Okay, but it should be there. Then you can see that date of issue is given there on the left hand side. Then subject is given there. Then name of the issuing authority is given there. That is the person who is issuing the notice. Sometimes it would be principal. Sometimes it would be the secretary of any club. Sometimes it would be your teacher, English teacher. Sometimes it would be, depending upon the subject, it can be issued by people. And what is their designation? If it is by any club secretary, you have to write Mohit, secretary, nature club. Here it is Mohit, head boy of the school. So this is the way of writing the notice. Content should contain the following events. That is, suppose if you are announcing something, a competition that is held in a school, so in that case, in the subject part, and not in the subject part, in the content part, you have to write world environment. Here the question is, you are Mohit or Mita, the head boy of Delhi Public School, Lucknow, and your school is celebrating the World Environment Day on 5th June 2016. Draft a notice informing the students to bring 2 saplings from each class in when necessary details. So usually the questions are asked like this for board examination. So if it is like this, students are informed that World Environment Day will be, here it is given there, the date is given there, and from where it is conducted, school premises, on which day it is given there, what, World Environment Day. So there should be answer for the question what, where, when. That is very important. Each class is instructed to bring at least 2 saplings. That is also important because in the question you are asked to bring the saplings. So these are unavoidable things that should be there in the content part. So if you write all these points, naturally you will be getting full marks there for this question. Okay. Content should contain the following things, that is event, date, place, time. Conclude the notice with name and post, that is designation. You have to write it inside a box, and the word limit for it is 50 words. Now I'll tell you what are the main characteristics of a notice. When mark is distributed for this question notice, for board examination they will not be giving you marks as we give in the class school exams. They will be dividing the marks into format, content and expression. Format will carry 1 mark, content 2 mark and expression 1 mark, 4 mark. That is how it is divided. So when you write the format, you have to write the very word notice should be there, then the heading should be there, then you have to write the date, you have to write the writer's name, post, etc. So title, as far as notice is concerned, you can have minimum or maximum 3 titles. First is the name of the school, second is the very word notice, and the third is something that is pertaining the content part, that is World Environment Day celebration. Okay, here it is not given in the example, but you can have it. Content answer the question. Content should that is the content part should answer the question what, when, where and how. It is given there. What? World Environment Day. When? 5th June 2016. Where? School premises. Okay, so everything is given clearly there. Now expression. Expression refers to grammar and spelling, organization and relevance of the ideas there in your notice. The marking scheme is 1 mark for format, content 2 mark, expression 1 mark. Here a sample of the notice is given there. I hope it is clear for everybody now. Now we will go to the next question that is given there. Here I have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 questions you have to do now and you have to send me. Thank you all.